Hi there, Toasty fans. I'm just about to talk you through the latest craze in toasting tortillas that we've seen all over TikTok and Instagram and how it works, and also whether I think it's any good or not. But before I do that, do me a favour and hit that subscribe button. Dead easy, down in the bottom right hand corner there. You're a very lovely person, so please hit subscribe. Helps me a lot. Excellent, thank you. So as I say, you may have seen this on TikTok and Instagram. It's heralded as a super quick way of making a toasted tortilla. Am I convinced? I'm not so sure. Let's see. So first step in this is cut a nice slice in that tortilla right to the center. And that essentially gives you 4 quadrants if you think about it. So you put your sauce on one or any other fillings, and you just fill up each quadrant, each little quarter of that tortilla, whatever you want. I was making a breakfast wrap, very simple, very easy in the morning. I just wanted cheese and egg with a bit of barbecue sauce. You could go for something a bit more elaborate. And you could also mix all the ingredients together and spoon them just across, which may actually be better. One of my gripes about this method and the way the ingredients are kept separate when you see people make them. Right, your ingredients are on, so just fold it round. Bish bash bosh, folding that all round. You folded up your tortilla nicely. You've got that lovely triangle there. Fill your tasty fillings. Plonk it in your toasted sandwich maker. Close the lid. Cook it through for 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes. And at the end of that, you've got a lovely, crispy toasted tortilla, all ready to go. All nice and simple. So that's how you quick fold a tortilla in the morning to make it into a lovely toasted tortilla. Very easy, very popular at the moment. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure it's actually any easier or quicker than doing it the traditional way, or making the standard quesadilla and just folding it in half. Not sure. I think what I'm going to do is do a comparison video, do a few, record them all, let you decide for yourselves, and then maybe you can vote and give them all a try. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that comparison video, and until next time, happy toasting. Bye.